Hello, biology students. My name is Kara Johnson. I'm your instructor this semester, and I am an adjunct instructor at Ozarka, which means I just teach one or two courses online each semester. I used to teach full-time for Ozarka, but I moved away in 2019, and now I'm full-time at UACCM in Morrilton and part-time at Ozarka. I also sell real estate in the River Valley area. And so I just kind of wanted to take the opportunity to talk a little bit about the general layout of this course. And so it is an online course. All of the assignments will be open for at least a week. And where your grades are coming from, and you can look at the syllabus and see this as well, but where your grades are coming from are discussion assignments, which are 10 points each. I want to make a quick note about those. In order to receive all of your points, you have to do an original post and then comment on at least two other classmates' posts. So those are discussions. I also, this week, I do have a quiz. It's over the syllabus. I want to make sure that you pay really close attention to the syllabus and kind of get the things that you need to get out of there. A couple things I'll point out are that almost all of your assignments are going to be due on Saturday at 11:59 p.m. during the week in which they're assigned, except for the Field Lab Notebook, which is a semester-long assignment. It will be due on Saturday, December 2nd at 11:59 p.m. And I have a video in your course shell for this week that talks about the Field Lab Notebook. The Word document that has the instructions and rubric for the assignment are also, if you can see right here, in your week one folder. And so this week, the things that you're going to need to do are look at the Field Lab Notebook assignment, watch my video on it, and then also you're going to need to participate in the introduction discussion. In order to receive full credit for your discussion assignments, you need to make one original post and comment on at least two classmates' posts. Then you have your syllabus quiz. You need to read your syllabus and go ahead and take that syllabus quiz to make sure that you understand some of the important things about the way that this class is set up. And so otherwise, a couple of things that are maybe a little bit different about this class is that you don't have to purchase a textbook, which you may have discovered already. And so there is a link on the syllabus that will take you to the full textbook. It's an OpenStax textbook and it's free. And every week I will put a PDF, and I'm going to click on it and see if it'll load. I'm going to put a PDF of the chapter in your resources. It'll say chapter 1 resources. And then in here, I have not only a PDF of that chapter from your book, but I also have a PowerPoint. And so you can look at those things. And then other things that I kind of just wanted to point out is that your grades are coming from discussion assignments, the one quiz, and then you will have weekly lab assignments. And since this is an online course, people always ask me, what are the labs like? Well, the labs, you'll do your first one during week 2, but the labs are online, and some of them are what I like to call kitchen labs, but other ones are electronic or digital labs where they're virtual labs, where you'll have to, download the assignment from your course shell and you'll have to go and complete something online. And I have a procedure for how you can, what you need to upload for me for your assignment. So the points are coming from discussion assignments that are 10 points each. You have exams over the lecture material, which are 100 points each. And then you have lab assignments, which are 20 points each. And so there are review questions at the end of your chapters that will help you to study for your exams. And I also recommend reading the chapters, going over the PowerPoints, and there's like a little summary at the end of each chapter that we cover. And then I also have a study guide for each exam. And so those are the things that you're going to need to do to make it through the semester with me. And if you have questions, go ahead and email me through course mail. You have this little course mail link in your course shell, and that will get to me the quickest and allow me at least 2 business days, the end of the second business day, to get back to me. Okay, I hope that we have a great semester. I'm looking forward to interacting with each of you. And as I said before, please let me